Hey everyone, today we are comparing YouTube TV versus DirecTV Stream in 2026, covering pros, cons, features, and pricing. By the end, you will know if it is time to switch, and for now, let's dive in. Overview. YouTube TV, popular for flexible streaming, unlimited cloud DVR, and tons of live channels. Works on almost any device. DirecTV Stream offers a strong live TV coverage, regional sports, and premium channel bundles. Similar device support, but slightly more structured plans. Features comparison. YouTube TV features more than 100 channels, unlimited DVR for 9 months, up to 6 accounts per household, easy streaming on smart TVs, phones, and web. DirecTV stream features 65 to more than 140 channels depending on plan, cloud DVR up to 500 hours, supports multiple users, but devices vary by plan, regional sports a big plus for local fans. Pricing. YouTube TV starts at around $80 per month, all channels included, so no hidden fees. DirecTV Stream starts at $75 to $100 per month. Premium packages extra, regional sports can add costs. Pros and cons. For the pros of YouTube TV, we have unlimited DVR, simple pricing, tons of channels, easy to cancel. For the cons of YouTube TV, it has slightly higher base cost, fewer premium channels in base plan. DirecTV Stream Pros, strong local channels, regional sports, bundle options with premium packages. And for the cons, we have DVR limited by plan, some hidden fees, and interface can feel cluttered. Conclusion. So which one should you pick in 2026? Choose YouTube TV if you want simplicity, unlimited DVR, and straightforward pricing. Choose DirecTV Stream if you care about local sports and do not mind extra fees. And that is it. Comment below which service you are using or thinking of switching to. And do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend who is actually hesitating between these two providers. And that's all for this video, and goodbye.